MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka office jong block mission coordinator SSA SEMAN Umling Block Resource Center Bhoi District Mendagasngi kala sam kusnam shaki khatsan Tylli Skul kibalai shimenta hakatobako Free Educational Institution lane ka TOFEI hakban pelong yaki jaka pule kibalaj na kijingdi Duma ban bam Duma bat ki Skul kibala ban perking yaki jingdi Mar Duma kibakta ya khot yakya jong ki khna pule Nalor kata hakate ka program la airu ya kusnam syaka BMC Umling Block halor ka jingla jongka ban lebha bat bandon haka kerdan ka bah hajrong tam haka jala haka baide baga jingno senyang ka bakerpang jongka syaka program TOFEI kumban kedo ka TOFEI lani ka tobacco Free Educational Institute kade ka jingtmu jongka sarkar pedeng ban pelong ya ki jaka ajing hikai kibalat na ka jingdi Duma bat ka bade ka jaka ajing hikai ka bakhang ban penukam bat di ya barok ki Mar Duma Katong kalongru banyadai kisamla puli na kijingma ibala ban mi na kajingdi Duma hakate ka program lawan bani simenta do MLA kanongpo uba Meral Bonds M kumukongsan ka Ruby Z Das Joint Director DSEO Bhoi District ka Kong KB Jarwa DSEO Bhoi Lembat kiwe na kaliang MLA ulap mpaw ka jingero halo ka simenta ka Bashirham jong ki Skul ban purulong ya ka thong bar ulaban juru ya ka jinon kam ka kwat kya bat ka bahar miat haka imlang salang Ula ai kubleru ya borok ki Skul ki balai simenta hakaban pelong ki jaka puli ki balai na ka jing penukam ki Mar Duma baru ru ka ba kongsan palong mangin beteng ban pun priang ya ka kubor ban ong M yo drugs bat M yo Duma haka imlang salang knang bangin la ban petikna ya kalawe ka badon ka jingkot ka jingkhya
Introduction of TOEFI. TOEFI activity is an initiative by Education Department and Ministry of Health to join hands together to tackle tobacco use and tobacco consumption. And for this, we have come across TOEFI, or we have rolled out TOEFI program. And because of the school participation, Bhoi District has also got an award last year. We have achieved 95% of activities at the school in Bhoi District. It's all hard work of the school, so I really congratulate the school and all the staff of education who really helped the school and also the education department in implementing and making Bhoi District as an example district to other districts also, because we are the one who achieved more than 90% achievement in active participation of TOEFI program. So, and I can congratulate Umling Block also, because they got the best block. They got 99.8% in active participation of TOEFI program last year. And I wish that this year also we will do the same. And without, I know that it's difficult to take part in TOEFI program. There are so many activities like appointing a nodal officer in the school, keeping the signage, report tobacco shop near school. Also, we have to report as the school, no? Within 100-meter yards, there should be no tobacco selling near the school campus. And the school have actively participate, report if there is any shop that's selling tobacco near the school. They actively report to us, and we forward it directly to the DC office, and DC take the initiative with the police department. So it's all our hard work. Each and every one of you here, you really deserve the award that you are going to get today. And I hope that in the year to come also, you will do your best. Because whatever we do now is for our future generation.
Leadership, the BRPs and the CRC coordinators, all of which work together to make this program a success. As we have heard earlier from our district coordinator, that Bhoi District secure a very high percentage. I know all of us here, we know very well the plus points and the minus points for consuming tobacco. What I believe is this: in our homes, if the family members of our homes are not healthy, everything is not okay. In the society, in the state, in our district, if our citizens are not healthy, I believe we will be nowhere. because what I believe, health is wealth. So, tobacco kills. All of you have seen the writing, right? Tobacco kills. Smoking kills. But still, so I think it is high time, a very, very high time, for us, all of us, I will not say only the teachers in school, all of us, each and every one of us, starting from here, that we should sensitize each and everyone, not only the students, even the adults. What are the ill effects of tobacco? Because the government's initiative is very good. The block initiative is very good. We know all the activities. There were signature campaigns, and then we used to have those rallies where we asked the students to carry all those placards and all saying, say no to tobacco, right? So what I want to mention here, especially to our teachers, to our dear teachers, to please inculcate this into the minds of the students. Their minds are still fresh. Not to get themselves indulged in these activities.
In Bhoi as well as across Meghalaya, and we are in position to check almost tobacco use, means people are agree not to use the tobacco. Around 2,22,423 people under Umling block have signed, taken the oath that they will not have tobacco anymore in their future life. So with this objective, we have to work. This year also, I humbly request all the school principals over here to carry out this program so that our community will be safe from the health risks like cancer, as we know that Meghalaya is the prone of cancer, and particular our Bhoi district also. Then by checking, by awareing the people about the tobacco, we are in position to check the cancer disease which is spreading in our Meghalaya now and then.
Frank to say, because I don't smoke myself when we talk about tobacco or not. You always found in my Instagram or Facebook page, I always say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and say yes to good health. This is the mantra that I always carry on with myself and always spread awareness to others also that we should follow this. We should take a pledge by saying no to drugs, say no to tobacco, and we should say yes to good health. We have seen through different data that is there with the state government, the cause of death of many we have seen in hospital. That is as per the data within the health department, who has been admitted in hospital and who passed away in hospital. We have the data where not less than 60 to 65% people die due to cancer in general. It is more for male. For female, it is a little bit less, the data. There are multiple reasons for cancer, but one of the reasons is tobacco. There are those who don't smoke in their life, but still they have cancer. That is natural. But in general, if we take one of the reasons, surely it is tobacco. Maybe cigarette, maybe Duma, maybe what they call Jorda, Bhoi, all those we used to have, it costs slowly. We understand there has been a study, a research that has been done, where it has been proved that it is one of the reasons. I'm not saying 100%, but it is one of the reasons. So that's why I would like to congratulate for the campaign. The campaign is still on. It's still on. How many years? Till the end of the campaign. It's like when we, on the World Environment Day, we talk about planting trees on the 5th of June. cut one tree, plant 10, cut 10, plant 100, like that. We used to plant tree. But many of us, we click picture, post in Instagram only on the 5th of June. After that, nothing. It's like that. This is the same thing. If we, just recently also, I attended one climate change summit in UAE, where we talk about climate change all over the world, which is a global issue. Every country within the UN, one of the main agenda is the climate change, the global warming. This is the main agenda, how to fight with this. The same thing, now with the campaign with regards to tobacco, with regards to drugs, it has to be a continuous campaign altogether. I always tell my friends, colleagues at home, family members also, when we try to do anything, let us do it continuously. It's not, we'll plant tree not only on the 5th of June. We'll say for the campaign for no tobacco, it's not only for 2 months, 3 months. It is not only within the 100 circle radius, I think you determine like that. Yes, the school premises 100-kilometer radius. Suppose a teacher after 100 meters he will smoke, who will guarantee? That is natural. That is natural. So that campaign has to be there. The teachers, the parents, but the awareness has to be there. And we understand you always stay at the ground to give awareness through this campaign also.
MeghalayaPost.news